sewer, truth or myth.
I'm ready.
All right? This is a little bit of a tricky one.
Okay.
All right?
Critical thinking.
You just made your pasta, or you just made your rice. You have a pot of boiling hot water.
Mm-hmm.
Is it safe to pour it down your drain?
Rice or pasta?
You know, a pot of boiling water. It's just the water. You took your food out of it.
It is a trick question only because rice and pasta release whatever cornstarch, whatever it is that they have.
I'll put you more on point. Will boiling water, just straight boiling water, you can pour it down your drain?
I think that's a myth.
You shouldn't pour it down your drain?
You shouldn't. Wait for it to cool off.
It's a trick answer, really. In modern houses, some of the drain pipes are PVC plastic, and usually the boiling water will just flow through and won't cause any damage, but if it goes through the pipe slowly, and the PVC could deform. But if you don't have PVC drain pipes, you could pour boiling water right down that drain and it will never harm the plumbing in any way whatsoever. That's a good tip out there, because some people are pouring boiling hot water and running the cold water, letting it cool off. Unless your drains are PVC, there's no reason to do that. Dump it.
Okay. Sounds good to me. Now, how do you know you got PVC?
That's a great question. Well, usually it's visually clearly apparent because it's plastic. It's usually white. It's not a metallic color. It's not colored like any metal. Okay. So even if you're just a regular homeowner that doesn't know plumbing, you'll know if it's PVC or not.
Okay.
You can even tap on it because it'll make a different kind of a sound. It'll make a plastic sound.
Right.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
This is sewer, truth, or myth, the most commonly asked question.
Okay.
Okay? For probably over 100 years, do alligators live in the sewer systems of New York?
That's a myth.
You're right. There's no truth to that. Alligators have never been found in the sewer system. It was started probably back in the 1930s, where people started this rumor that they were bringing home baby alligators from Florida and got tired of them, put them in the drain, and that they were growing in the city sewer system. Interesting story, but not true.